What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I thought I would bring you guys along during the day to show you guys what I eat. So it is probably like 9:30 or almost 10 o'clock, I'm not sure. I woke up quite early, like around 7:30 this morning. I only got out of bed around 8 though, but I haven't eaten breakfast yet. I did have like a somewhat productive morning. I did like all our dishes from yesterday because we were just too tired to do them last night. So I did our dishes, and then I looked up some things for school because I don't know what's going on with my school yet. And yeah, so here we are now. I am going to make some pancakes for breakfast. I usually have pancakes or eggs, and I actually finished our pancake batter yesterday, so I'm gonna make another one, and I'll link the recipe down below if you guys are interested. And yeah, let's get the day started. So like I mentioned, I'll have the pancake recipe linked down below, but I do adjust the recipe to my liking. So first off, I started using oat milk in the pancake batter instead of regular milk, just because instead of using like regular milk, we'll like just drink like that, but oat milk we'll use in recipes just to make sure we have enough, if you guys know what I mean. I don't put any sugar in it. It does ask for 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and I don't put that in it because I put chocolate chips in with the bananas. Like it's fine, I don't need any more. And also it asks for 1.5 cups of flour, and I actually do 3/4 cups of oatmeal flour and then 3/4 cups of regular flour. So yeah, I just thought I would mention this right here, but you're free to follow the recipe if you want. This is just things that I do, and I love the pancakes this way, so yeah. What's up guys? So it is pretty much lunchtime. It's about 1:15. We did eat breakfast pretty late, so we're eating lunch pretty late. I was just gonna show you guys what I'm making. I'm making this stir fry with some rice noodles and shrimp, egg, and a whole bunch of veggies. So I was gonna show you guys, and I'll show you guys how I make it and the end result, and I'll have the recipe down below. It's not really a recipe, but I'll write like everything that I put in it and like the sauce, like how I made the sauce and everything down below. guys, it's about 2 hours later and I'm starting to get hungry, so I thought I would grab a snack and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna eat. So I made some banana bread the other day with some chocolate chips in it, so I'm gonna cut myself a piece of this, put it in the microwave for about 20 seconds, and I'm gonna eat this as my snack before dinner. So I just took it out of the microwave, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like all squishy, the chocolate chip melted, and I can't wait to eat. This is gonna be so good. Alright, so it is quite a while later and we are actually going to be eating dinner. We bought some lasagna, pre-made lasagna, the other day at the store just because we didn't have everything to make a lasagna and I didn't feel like making one, so we just bought one from the store, and this is it right here. We ate half of it the other day, so we're gonna eat the rest of it today so it doesn't go bad. So I'm gonna put that in the stove and that's gonna be our dinner, and I'm not sure if I want to make veggies or something like that, like a salad on the side. I'm not sure, just because I'm really not that hungry, so I'm probably not gonna be eating that much anyways. But I'll let you guys know. So I'm gonna put this in the stove and I'll show you guys when it's all done. So this is dinner. We're just gonna watch some TV and eat, and I'll update you guys if we actually eat. Like if I eat a snack or if I drink a tea or something like that, I'll update you guys. Right now I'm gonna eat this lasagna because it looks so good. So I'm kind of hungry and it's almost 7 o'clock, and I usually eat, like, I snack a lot. I snack between lunch and dinner, and I also snack between lunch and dinner and going to bed. And right now I really crave mangoes, and I bought 2 cases of 6 mangoes, and like none of them are ripe, and I really want a mango and I don't know what to eat right now. So I might eat a banana with some Nutella, which is really not that healthy, but it is a banana. Oh, hi Coco. Oh, poor cat. So I'm probably gonna eat a banana, and then I'll probably make myself a tea later on, but it really does suck that the mangoes are not ready because I would totally eat an entire mango right now. So yeah, I'll show you my snack once I actually decide what I'm gonna eat. Decided to go for a banana and Nutella. Not very healthy, but it is still a banana and I won't put too much, just to add like chocolate to it.
So now we're gonna drink some tea. To be precise, it's gonna be this right here. Just peachy. It's really good. It tastes like peaches. So now I'm gonna turn on the water and I'll update you guys once it's done. So here it says to heat it up to 95. So now it's 95. Now we're gonna pour the water in the cups. And now we're gonna let them rest for like about 5 to 10 minutes, maybe even 15 minutes, and then it gets a little yellow color, and it tastes really good.
Alright guys, so as you guys just saw, Alex was making me some tea. Me and him. He was making us some tea. And I think that's going to be it. I'm not going to be eating anything else. Ever since after lunch, like around 3 o'clock, I think that's when I ate my snack, I started feeling really weird. And I still ate dinner. And I didn't eat that much, but I still ate dinner. And I just, you know, you just have those days that you feel weird, and today's one of those days. So I definitely did not pick the right day to film what I eat in a day, because I would usually make something different for dinner, but I was just feeling lazy. I wasn't feeling good and I just did not want to cook, so we just went with some leftovers. But I definitely will be making another one of these if ever you guys want to see any of these. But I did like filming this today, and I would love to like show you guys more recipes, so for sure I'm going to be filming another one maybe soon. So yeah, this was somewhat of a healthy what I eat in a day up until the lasagna, and like I believe, like for me, even the banana with the Nutella at the end of the day, yes, it's Nutella, but it's still a banana, and banana is good, and I didn't put that much on. I just needed something sweeter with the banana. So yeah, and like I said, I really wanted mangoes, but my mangoes are not ready yet, so I'm really hoping that like by tomorrow night they'll start being ripe enough to get eaten. But for now, that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. Leave any comments down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.